Good morning, class 8. How is everyone? We have started mathematics. We are doing constructions today. Exercise 4.2, sum number 1 I have taken up. Let's read the sum first. See, we have to construct a quadrilateral lift in which Li is 4 cm, IF 3 TL 2.5, LF 4.5, IT 4 cm. What we do is always draw a rough figure first. This is the rough figure we have drawn. We have taken up all the measurements here. It will be a great help to draw the figure now. So what we do is, let's take up Li. Let's take up Li now. Li is 4 cm. I have taken Li 4 cm. Li 4 cm. Now IF is how much? IF is 3 cm. So what we do is, in the rough work column, measure 3 centimeters. Take your compasses, and I hope you won't find any difficulty in measuring this distance. This is 3. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. And draw this arc 3 centimeter. This is the one. Now this is 3. How much is this? This is 4.5. See, to make a quadrilateral, you always have to construct two triangles. In this case, we will have to construct triangle number 1 as well as triangle number 2. So we are constructing this one first. We have taken up this distance 3 centimeter. Now let's take up this distance as 4.5. You can measure 4.5. Let's take up 4.5. This is the one. Okay, from L. Now draw another arc that will intersect the first one at some point. This is your point F. You have to join IF as well as LF. LF is the diagonal. Well, half of the work is done. Now concentrate on this one. This distance is 4 and this is 2.5. So let's take up 4. 4, as we know, this distance is also 4. So we can measure from here. This is 4, right? So let's draw this arc. And this side you have to take 2.5. Let's measure 2.5. This is 2.5. This is the distance. This one is required. From here, let's draw another arc that intersects the previous one at a point, and this is your point T. Now you have to join IT. You have to join IT as well as LT, be careful, your work should be neat and clean. Also join TF. So what did you do? You took take TI equal to 4 centimeter from I, draw an arc 3 centimeter, and from L draw another arc 4.5 centimeter, right? This intersects this one at F, so you get point F. Join FI and LF. Similarly, draw an arc 4 centimeter from I and 2.5 centimeter from L. Thus, you get point T. Now join TL, TI and TF. LIFT is the required quadrilateral. Thanks for joining.